There's a marvelous new item I think belongs in every prepper's kit, an electric bicycle. My wife and I have long had good quality, sturdy mountain bikes as a transportation alternative should roadways and gasoline present challenges in a natural disaster or grid-down situation. If needed, these would help us travel at good speed and with a greater load than we could carry on foot. However, over the past few years, electric bikes have matured to be a much better choice. Just as electric vehicles have gone from novelty to practical reality for millions of commuters, e-bikes are now an excellent choice for short to mid to long-range travel. As always, I spent many hours researching alternatives, learning about capabilities and options, and watching reviews of dozens of manufacturers and models. My wife did the same, and we both selected models that closely matched our needs and capabilities. I selected the high-end Walkie X3 Pro, a 750-watt rear-drive fat tire bike with the best display and electronic system available. My wife chose the 750-watt rear-drive DJ folding bike. Both are constructed of 6061 aluminum alloy for strength and lightweight. Both have folding frames, and both have great carrying capacity and fat tires for operation in sand, snow, dirt, or on the road. These are closely matched in features and capabilities, but have much different form factors to better match our relative sizes. If you don't know about e-bikes, they ride a lot like normal mountain bikes with 7 or 8 speeds. However, in electric mode, the motor kicks in and helps drive the bike. It's like having someone strong come behind you and push the bike with you. Uphill sections feel like flat ground, and speeds up into the high 20s take little effort. If you wish, you don't have to pedal at all, using the throttle to have the electric motor drive the bike on its own. This opens biking to people at all ages and fitness levels. It can help you get into shape as you contribute the effort you can, building capability while enjoying an outdoor activity previously reserved for those in better shape. I was really surprised at how easy these bikes are to ride without power. I was expecting them to be heavy and ponderous, but instead the ride effort was indistinguishable from our mountain bikes. This means we can ride them normally from the point they completely run out of power. Imagine going 50 miles, then pedaling on from there unfatigued from the first 50. As a prepper, I like the idea of using a zero-emission vehicle that can get me to places that would be challenging to walk, with loads I couldn't carry, and recharged only by power from my solar generator. The pros will tell you that everything in your prep kit should have 2 or more purposes, and the e-bikes certainly fulfill this requirement. While things are normal, the sun is shining and the birds are singing, we're using the bikes to enjoy the outdoors and keep fit. Should things get dire, we'll have reliable transportation that doesn't need fuel or even roads. Here's a brief tour of the 2 models that we think are best. The Walkie X3 Pro has the highest power motor allowed in an unlicensed bike. Full suspension, fat tires for a comfortable ride, and features the very best electronic display of any bike we could find. 60-mile range and a 30-mile-per-hour top-powered speed, you can pedal faster. A Shimano 8-speed derailleur, hydraulic disc brakes, a 300-pound payload capacity, heavy-duty carrier, fenders, and even a holder for your cell phone, you can't get a better equipped or more capable bike. Because it folds, it can go in the back of the SUV, the trunk of the car, or the corner of an apartment. The DJ folding bike also has a folding frame with smaller 20-inch wheels, and its unique design packs the same power plus a 275-pound load capacity on heavy-duty front and back racks, and in a size ideal for my wife's 5'2" height. The bike also has front suspension and a sprung seat post for ride comfort. With a top-powered speed of 23 miles per hour and a 40-mile range, this bike is a perfect match for her. We've purchased extra batteries for each, giving us about 100 miles of range. We can also tow our bicycle trailer for another 200 pounds of load capacity, so we can potentially go where we need to go and take nearly 500 pounds of equipment and supplies with us. The versatility of these e-bikes opens up a wide range of new options for us in critical situations. We can get to planned bug-out locations with pretty good load, even if conventional fuel is unavailable or roads are blocked. We now have a much expanded range of operations as we can get to more distant family or friends. With the e-bikes, a 20-mile distance is just an hour away, even with a heavy load. If you'd like to ride but worry that you might not have the stamina to get back, the bike's motor will carry you while you rest. You can go anywhere your friends want to go with no worries. We're part of a local preparedness community, and most of the members already have electric bikes as part of their kit. Their thinking certainly influenced us as we saw the many benefits of e-bikes and decided to join those already riding. We now have these for use in challenging times, but are also enjoying their recreational use right now. These two bikes are our choice after weeks of detailed research comparing features and capabilities and then selecting the very best models we could find. After getting them, our experience with the bikes confirmed our thinking, and they've opened up a whole new world of fitness and enjoyment. We're extremely happy with our e-bikes. Thinking of you, we reached out to the manufacturers of the two bikes and both have agreed to offer 10% off to channel viewers. I put links for you to use in the descriptions below. At the time I'm making this video, e-bikes are in very short supply and dealers are placing orders for the year after next, so I can't say how long the offers will last. Just for clarity, both these bikes were purchased with our own money and we paid full price. We do not receive any kind of compensation from the manufacturers. If you'd like to look more closely at the e-bikes we selected after our research, check out the links in the description below. There are also manufacturer website links, plus links for upgrades and accessories we chose at www.desertpref.info. Channel viewers can also get a free copy of the rider's manual I created for the Walkie X3 Pro and the DJ folding bike featured in the video. Look for links on the website. I think you'll agree that e-bikes are an exciting new option for your preparedness equipment. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe so you'll get notifications of new videos and so others will be shown the videos on the channel. As always, stay safe and be prepared.